बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रेडियंट दीन इस्लाम पेश करता है ग्रीन इस्लाम। इन एवरी लीफ, इन एवरी ड्रॉप ऑफ रेन देयर इज ए साइन फ्रॉम अल्लाह. Yet today our planet is suffering from pollution, deforestation and waste. Islam teaches us that protecting the earth is not optional, it is an act of faith. The Quranic message. Allah says in the Holy Quran, "And do not cause corruption upon the earth after it has been set in order." Surah Al-Araf 7.56. This verse reminds us balance and harmony are divine laws. Let us see this Surah Al-Araf 7.56 in Arabic, Urdu and English. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. वला तुफ़्सिदू फ़िल अर्ज़ि बाद इस्लाहिहा वदऊहु खौफ़न व तमआ इन्न रहमतल्लाहि क़रीबुम मिनल मुहसिनीन। और ज़मीन में उसकी इस्लाह के बाद फ़साद मत करो और उसे डर और तमा से पुकारो, बेशक अल्लाह की रहमत नेकोकारों से करीब है। And do not spread turmoil in the earth after its reform, and pray to him with fear and hope. Indeed, Allah's mercy is close to the virtuous. Prophetic guidance. The Prophet ﷺ said, "If the hour is about to be established, and one of you has sapling in his hand, let him plant it." This hadith inspires eternal hope. Even in the last moments, Muslims are urged to nurture life. Let us see the real world examples. Across the Muslim world, the message of green Islam is growing. From Indonesia's eco-mosque powered by solar energy to communities in Africa replanting trees, faith and sustainability walk together. What should we do for green Islam? Let us see the practical tips. Every Muslim can contribute. Avoid waste. Indeed, the wasteful are the brothers of the devil. Quran 17.27. Save water even when making wuzu. Support local green initiatives. Remember small deeds with pure intention. Please Allah. Let us see the short clips of work is being done across the world under green Islam. Protecting the earth is protecting Allah's creation. Let us make our world greener, cleaner and more faithful together. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Radiant Deen Islam.